Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Shrek Tech. So today we can unbox this beautiful noise shots, truly wireless earphones from the company NESS. So before going or unboxing these newly bought truly wireless earphones, we're gonna do is just hit that red subscribe button over there, smash it, and yes, of course, hit that bell notification so that you get the latest notification of my latest tech videos. So yes, before going guys, let's see the overview of the box. So this is the official website, so you can go buy it. So specification guys, its Bluetooth version is 4.1 plus EDR, playtime is 2.5 hours, standby time is 100 hours, charging time is 1 to 2 hours. So yes guys, you don't need to charge it, like, because it's a truly wireless earphones. It doesn't mean that you have to give a separate USB cable for that. I'm gonna show you what's inside this because the charging thing is unique. It's different. It's nice. So the color I've chosen is fully black, and the package contains. Let's go. The package contains one truly wireless earphones, one user manual, one USB charging cable, and with extra bud. So I'm going to show you what is USB charging cable, because everybody obviously thinks what is USB charging cable. As I said, it's different, it's unique. So I'm going to show you what's inside this. So as per the packing guys, this is really unique. The packing, oh, I didn't see this. Okay, so battery display. Okay, so it's gonna show what's the percentage of the battery of this truly wireless earphones. Only for the iPhone users, it's truly wireless as it says. I'm gonna see what's inside this. So 100 hours standby, paired to mobile phones. So guys, you can pair simultaneously for two devices. So for example, I have simultaneously connects two mobile phones or two Bluetooth devices. I'm gonna open this like this. So they've given a magnet unboxing thing, so which is really nice. Oh yeah, this is really, the packing is damn, I love it. So before going, I'm gonna say the price. The price is $4,499 or something, because I have got it for $2,999 on Amazon. The product link will be in the description below. So yeah, going to the unboxing. So unboxing, the boxing things are really pretty. So this is thank you thing card. So are you happy? If you're happy, okay, this is like the rating. And yes guys, if you want to have an exciting offer, just scan this and it's gonna give you the official warranty along with some offers for another devices. So here's the user manual. That's noise shorts. Oh, the beauty. So this is the main thing that we've been coming. Oh my god, the camera, don't fall. Okay, sorry for this. So this is the extra buds over here given by them. So they're damn short. Okay, so this is the main thing guys. You might be thinking, what is this? So that is the main thing. That's the charging port of these both earphones. So I'm gonna take this thing off first. Okay, I'm gonna review this thing, or I'm gonna show you what's this. So actually this is the charging things for your beautiful earphones. So see this guys, you don't need wire. There's no wire for this. These are truly wireless noise shorts. This is amazing. They're only nice, so cool. Okay, so this is the charging port for this both. So how do you charge basically guys? So they're gonna give you a USB cable, which you just need to insert in this point over here. It'll be charging on its own. This is the carry case of these both earphones. So if you open it guys, you get this both to keep it in. This golden thing over here, or something like two dots, are the magnetic charging case for this. So this is magnetically charged, so just keep it in. The red light starts blinking over here. You can see this. There's two red lights, so that means it's charging guys. So it's really cool, right? So keep it in, just take it and go. And the disadvantage is, guys, you can't keep this thing in the pocket or somewhere if you don't have any bag. So if you want to just plug into your ears, you can go. But yes, of course, guys, as per the test conducted by me before this thing, it doesn't fall off easily. It's not fall, it's fall proof, I can say. It won't fall so easily. You just need to, if you want to make it fall, just slap it like that or push it, it's gonna fall. So unless that, it doesn't fall. So it's really recommended by me for guys who are truly going wireless. And yes, of course, guys, if you really like to hear some of the EDM songs or the fully bassed songs, it's not good for you guys because this doesn't support much louder basses. It's like medium bass. So I don't suggest for guys who loves extra bass in this. So that is the other thing. So if you guys want to pair it, just take it out of the case, keep it aside, click these both are buttons or the glossy thing. So these both are buttons, you just need to press it for 5 seconds. It's gonna light up. Do you see the light? So these both are pairing each first, and then if you turn on your your mobile phone with the Bluetooth thing, it's gonna pair with it, and you don't need to, you get hassle-free connection. So truly wireless, as it says, and it's really small in size. So I recommend this truly, but the thing is, you can't carry this anywhere in your pocket, so it will be like fully big one. So that's a problem in this, and the rest of it is really cool. So going back to the user manual, so much small words, I can't read it. Let's see. Okay, phone call, music, charging, specifications, warning, warranty information, and a lot more. So it's normally used. And yes, guys, product sketch. So these are the product sketch, you get it on the back of the user manual. So you're gonna see what's there in this. So as I said, it states this is the silicone handle. It has a light indicator also. So if it comes red, it's charging. If it comes blue, these both are charging together. So it's like that. And guys, the other thing is, you can't use any one at a time. You just need to use both of them simultaneously. So if in case I've forgotten to switch it off and just I opened it, kept it in this charging case, it's gonna turn off and it's gonna start charging itself. So you don't need to turn off your Bluetooth things. There is like fast quick thing. So I really recommend this one, but not for the bass, guys. I'm sorry for that. And the bass is really quite low, and the music quality of it is really cool. I like it so. And this boxing thing, oh my god, the box is really cool also along with it. And yes, obviously for the price also. The price is 4,419 or something, but I got it for 3,000, so that's 2,999. You get this 2 extra buds with this, and the warranty card, just need to scan it, and just, it's really nice, guys. I really liked it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please new guys, please subscribe to my channel, and you'll be watching the latest tech videos. I'm gonna unbox every day and will be uploaded every weekend. So I'm gonna give you reviews about this soon. And yes, of course, guys, the next video will be my Bluetooth headphones, that is from the Noise Battle headphones will be soon be reviewed, and it'll be showed up in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching, and yes, you have a nice great weekend.